And number 26, I want you to mark the figures. Okay, so read each of the statements below and mark the figure appropriately. So the first one says angle A is congruent to angle C. So to mark my angle is congruent, let me get red here. Mark my angle is congruent, I draw an arc across it and I put one tick mark. The next one says AE is congruent to CD. So AE, oh, that should have been AF, I'm sorry. That should be AF. AF congruent to CD. Mark those segments congruent. The next one says BE is perpendicular to FD. So BD perpendicular to FD, that means where those two segments intersect, I'm going to have a right angle. So I just need to put my right angle marking. Then I have E bisects FD. So we're talking about segments here. Point E here is bisecting this segment here. So all I need to do is just mark FE congruent to ED. Now notice I did put two tick marks because I already have segments here, AF and CD, that have one tick mark. So I don't want to do one tick mark again because that would mean that all four of those pieces are congruent. Then the last one says BE bisects angle ABC. So BE, let me show you this, BE right here is bisecting angle ABC. That tells me that because it's bisecting, that means this angle here and this angle here are going to be congruent. Again, I need to use two tick marks as I already have A and C, angles A and C with one tick mark.